Look at that. Then look back. This is the one I got hurt. And now look on the other side. Now it feels like I'm blind. I'm using that. Well, that is bright. That's cool. Looking at yourself, guys. That's cool. But it's really bright. So, let's see if it's blurry. So, I guess so, yeah. But one thing, Monday is my birthday. I'm really happy. Bye-bye, guys. Look. And I only want 2 things. I want my friends back. That's what I want for my birthday. Bye-bye. Ooh, that's really bright.